Transporter is here for Fran ZR1. It's officially going bye-bye. Sad day. So do you want to explain to the people why this is on the dyno?
She's retired in my possession. I'm a bit sad about it too, actually.
Yeah.
A little bit. I like this thing. I mean, this thing I've had some memories.
1, 2, 3!
It's a ZR1 or something, I don't know, but it's little white car out there showing them what to do though.
Holy f***ing shit. That's fast. Holy shit, that was fast. Holy shit, that was fast.
We're gonna have to make some donations now.
KP's probably more sad than I am because I don't get sentimental about cars, but this is one I like.
It's probably the one you've had the longest.
Definitely the longest.
Yeah.
I've had it like 3 years.
Yeah, it's a long time for you.
Yeah, all the other C6Zs and everything else I own, I'm like, whatever. But this thing, the C6 ZR1 is the ultimate street car. Period.
But it's gonna be down in Florida now.
It is. So the new owner wanted me to spray it and just give it a once over, put it back on the dyno and ship before it shipped down to him, and so that's what we're doing. I just made some boost only runs.
That's all.
I did a little bit of nitrous guy.
Do you want to tell people about the blower too? Because we didn't do a video about that.
We did not. Put a 2650 on it. I didn't tell anybody. I was hoping just to fucking go out and street race a bunch of people, but so yeah, now it's the full build it was before with a 2650 on it. So it just made like 1,024 on boost today. But it made like 1,030 last time it was on the dyno. Whatever, same thing.
It's got a different tire on it too.
Yeah, it's got my forge lines on it because I'm going to spray it, and it wouldn't even barely hook boost only with the other tires I had on there. So yeah, we'll see how much nitrous it'll take. I mean, I'll just play with it as I go, but 1,030 boost only is fucking pretty stout, and like 940 torque or something I can't even see. I mean, this thing's a fucking bad bitch. So I'm gonna probably shed a little tear when it fucking.
You can always get another one.
I told him that if he ever goes to sell this, he has to offer it back to me first.
That's fair. Obviously, you talked about it off camera, but you're looking to get another house and then
Yeah.
you might get a V3, so who knows?
Yeah, I need to get another.
Now.
Need to get another house. I'm trying to buy some land and.
Go liquidate some toys.
Needed the cash. I mean, I have fucking 3 fucking C6s.
Yeah.
So I need something with a backseat besides the Chevelle. Now that I got a little girl.
But the good news is for the people waiting for a Chevelle build, we will be working on that very soon now.
As soon as the house comes, as soon as I buy a house, I'll put some money into that. I don't want to do anything before.
Yeah. But there is,
It's in the
books.
Yes, it's in the
31st.
way nearer future than it was.
Yeah.
So I already know what I'm going to do. Basically, I have 85% of the shit for the car. I just need to order all the suspension shit. I'm going to probably buy some forge lines for that too. But house first, then that, and then a V3 somewhere in that future after that.
Yep. We're going to throw out Nitrous first. A little 75, 50.
Well, I just did. That was the one that was in here before from when KP sprayed it. It just picked up like 100 on this. I think on the stock bottom end said it picked up like 70. But yeah, it's like I can't actually, I don't know exactly how much nitrous it is because there's like,
percentages.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's not even percentage, it's just the duty cycle of the solenoid. But so on 20%, it picked up about 100 here. So I think there's 250 jets in the plate. But so I'm updating the ECU software on the Poly now.
Yeah, because you're going to want to stream into the Dominator for your Nitrous setup.
I did it right, it's cool. Dominator controls the whole nitrous side of it. That way it data logs every time you floor the car with boost or nitrous. So you have a data log every single time, whether something happens or whatever.
See what it does.
Yeah.
So as you can see, that 1023, 939, that was the boost only. That 1094, 993 was his like 35-ish per shot, etc. So yeah, on these Roots blowers, they really do pick up a lot more than just per se the exact horsepower like most cars do. When you do a 50 shot, expect to pick up 50. On these, expect to pick up way more. So I made it red so you can kind of see the difference a little bit better. Obviously the Nitrous tune is going to have a little less timing in it, so it's going to make a little less until you're actually spraying. And then you can see how much more it's making, and then obviously when it shuts off, you typically don't want to keep spraying all the way past red line or wherever. So.
No, it made 1,020 on boost.
Yeah.
So it's up 125 over boost only. I mean, I don't know what it is. Like,
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I don't know. It was 27 in the controller versus 20 before. Whatever picks up 125.
Yeah, but on these root style blowers, it picks up way more than just like.
Oh yeah.
That's not 125 shot.
No, it's probably like
75.
Yeah, maybe less. Yeah. Generally, just about doubles.
Yeah.
You pick up 100 shot, it usually probably picks up 200.
On these, at least.
On root blower shit, yeah. Like this thing, when it was stock short block, on a 225 shot, it picked up like 400. It made like 875, and then it made 1225.
Yeah.
Whatever the fuck that is. So.
Which you only did one time on the dyno just for shits and giggles.
Yeah. Yep.
Obviously, this shrub block can take quite a bit more.
This one's a little different than the last one.
Probably hit this thing with a 300 if you really wanted to.
I could, for sure. The problem is I don't know if the fuel system is going to allow me to make that much, because I don't have it dedicated for the nitrous, obviously. So it just is all ran off the fucking one fuel pump. And it's a full E85 right now, so I don't know if that's a lot of power on a single pump. Well, not necessarily a single pump, but the factory pump plus the single pump. But it still has pressure right now, so we'll see.
Okay. Up a little bit more.
I'm about to. I'm going to look at the data log from the Holly and go from there.
Okay. Spinning a little bit, so we put some more VHT on. We'll see how it goes.
I'm gonna leave it there.
Leave it there?
Yeah, I think it's like pushing the limits of the fuel system now. It's like fuel pressure, it still has fuel pressure, but you can see it like kind of floating, which means the fuel pump's like really trying to get it there. Like it still has 74 PSI, but it goes down to like 69, then back up to like 72, then 67, then 66, then 70, then 72, then like 60. So it's like the fuel pump, yeah, it's like getting fuel pressure and losing it, like it can't supply enough. So I don't.
Without a dedicated, it's kind of.
It doesn't even need a dedicated, it just needs a bigger pump with full straight E. Plus the nitrous pulling off the fuel rail, it's making 1,300 wheel on straight E. That's a lot of, you need a lot of nitrous for that. Yeah, I'll call that good.
How much would you say that was, like, nitrous estimate?
Probably like 125-ish, maybe 150, but it's at 51% in the controller. So, and I think there's 250 jets in the thing, but 51% doesn't mean like 51% of the jet. So it doesn't mean like it's exactly a 125. This is just duty cycle of the solenoid. So, yeah, I don't know what shot he wants in it. I'm probably gonna turn it down in case he does want to spray it.
It's a lot of power.
Yeah.
Do you want to let them know that this was the guy that we built that C7Z for?
Yeah.
Get a white C7Z?
Sure, yeah, white C7Z we built for him, made like 850 or something.
Want to sponsor that day? That was really good.
Yeah, he had that for a little bit and sold that and ordered a C8. and with nothing, you can't tune or do anything to a C8 yet, so he was like, fuck that. And he used to have a white C6 ZR1 before his white C7C. So he really wanted one again, so he bought this. So.
Well, it's a proven car.
Yeah. That's all fresh. Motor, blower, has like 100 miles on it. Trans has like maybe 500 miles on it.
And you got that nice tall 6 in it now too, which is nice.
Yeah, it's real nice on the highway.
Well, look forward to seeing some videos of this thing in Mexico.
Me too.
Florida and Mexico. That's it. Bye-bye.
Shipping company might be here tomorrow, he said.
Oh, really?
So I just gotta wash it and shit.
By you mean?
You.
Yeah, thanks. Dude.
We as a whole.
Oh, the shop. Yeah. It's actually pretty cool.
It's not bad, but it needs to be washed.
So the transporter is here for Fran ZR1. It's officially going bye-bye. Sad day. Of course, I took it out for one last ride.
Yeah, can't really rip on it though.
Yes, no longer yours.
I know, I'm gonna miss this fucking thing, man.
Why are you selling it?
I don't know. I need a CTSV.
You need one.
I need something with a back seat.
A wagon?
No, I want a new V3.
It's a wagon?
A new V.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Sad, sad day.
That's a pretty sad day, actually.
Have you had it since new?
No, I've had it for like 3 years, but
Was it stock when you got it?
pretty much, yeah.